Do you know how to manage your finances for less stress and more happiness? It might seem like a daunting question, but fear not. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to navigate the world of finance with confidence and ease. First off, let's dive into the concept of budgeting. Picture your income as a pie. Each slice of that pie represents a different expense. Some slices might be larger, like rent or mortgage payments, while others might be smaller, like your morning coffee. The goal is to ensure that the pie, your income, can cover all these slices, your expenses. If it can't, you'll need to make some adjustments by either increasing your income or decreasing your expenses. Next up, index funds. Think of an index fund as a basket of different stocks. Instead of buying individual stocks and trying to beat the market, which is risky and time-consuming, you can buy a piece of the entire market. This way, you're spreading your risk across many stocks, which historically has proven to be a solid investment strategy. Now, onto compound interest. Imagine planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree. Now imagine if that tree could grow other trees, and those trees could grow more trees. That's compound interest. It's the concept of earning interest on your interest. Over time, this can significantly increase your savings or investment returns. Ever heard of the time value of money? It's the idea that money available today is worth more than the same amount in the future. Why? Because money can earn interest. So the sooner you have money, the more time it has to grow. In summary, managing your finances for less stress and more happiness involves understanding and implementing key financial concepts. Budgeting helps you keep track of your income and expenses. Index funds offer a simple and effective way to invest in the stock market. Compound interest can significantly boost your savings over time, and understanding the time value of money can motivate you to start saving or investing sooner rather than later. Remember, financial literacy is not about becoming rich overnight. It's about making informed decisions that will lead to financial stability and freedom in the long run. So, start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial health grow.